in looking at the particular items that this so-called witness made mention during the House hearings, Mr. Chairman, meron po ako ditong 2023 GAA, Mr. Chairman. 2023 GAA. Sabi po niya doon sa hearing, Mr. Chairman, nasa GAA daw po. He was under oath when he said it. Binasa ko po lahat to, Mr. Chairman. Actually, nagpunta pa ho ako sa 2024 tsaka 2022.
Actually, he mentioned 2023, hindi ba?
Opo, tama po kayo, Mr. Chairman. So, mamaya habang break po tayo, at I will not, I wanted to appeal sana to my dear colleagues if I can ask questions dahil grabe ho yung ginawa sa atin. Pero, Mr.
Meron ka
Chairman,
naman dito kasi last kang dumating. So you're number 13 after Senator Gatchalian, Senator De La Rosa, and then ikaw na.
Opo, opo,
So after
Mr.
lunch,
Chairman.
after our lunch
Yes.
break, you can have your time.
Mr. Chairman, just to point out,
Senator, go pa
Mr.
pala.
Chairman, just to point out po, Mr. Chairman, few seconds lang. Mr. Chairman, ito yung 2023. Pwede ho ba ibigay natin kay Bryce ngayon, Mr. Chairman? Hanapin niya po dito yung sinasabi niya doon sa House na nandito yung binabanggit niya na may flood control project si Joel Villanueva. If we can, Mr. Chairman, that's
Yeah.
okay.
But later, we'll leave you your time, your 5 minutes.
Thank you.
After the break. Senator, ikaw pa, no?
Yes, thank you,
have
Mr. Chair.
I just 2 minutes and 31
I'll
seconds.
just wrap up. For the information of our of the committee, yung sinasabi po ni Bryce, December 16 of 2022, I have not participated in any budget process for the projects for 2022, and that is very, very clear. All right. Engineer Alcantara, sinabi ni Bryce na binigyan daw niya sa iyo yung pera at may mga nakausap kang politiko na ang sabi niya, binigyan ka ng pera para ibigay mo sa politiko. Am I correct? Is that true? Is that true? Can you confirm?
No, Your Honor. Respectfully deny po yung sinasabi niya.
Ano po?
Respectfully deny po yung sinasabi niya na binigay niya po sa akin na may mga ganun pong issue, Your Honor.
So tama si Senator Lacson, the burden of proof lies with you, Mr. Hernandez. Kasi tahasan mo sinabi sa House of Representatives at kinundina naman ako ng taong bayan dahil sa isang salita mo na ako raw ay humihingi ng 30%. Okay? Mga kababayan, to my colleagues here in the Senate, I have already been crucified, vilified in the